New Zealand's won this match, and exactly what they needed to help them climb up the Test Championship table. In the morning, as mentioned, Ajinkya Rahane and Vihari definitely needed to build a partnership. But unfortunately, that did not happen for India. Ajinkya Rahane departed early, and after that, Hanuman Vihari also departed. Now, after this, we have Rishabh Pant. India's hope would be in Rishabh Pant, but there's not much he can do because when the tailenders for India come, they really can't provide enough batting to help India even get past to have a chance with New Zealand. They needed to bat throughout the whole day, but as you can see, the match finished in a few hours. For New Zealand, home conditions, their bowlers knew exactly what to do. Southee took his 5 wickets. Now after this, Bolt got his 3 wickets yesterday and his 1 wicket today, ending with 4 wickets. And after that, Colin Granholm got his wicket. New Zealand bowlers, you can see, are using what they know best, these home conditions. In my opinion, India lost the match at the toss. We looked at different records on what usually happens in New Zealand conditions. Kane Williamson knew that, and he won that toss and knew what to pick. Now for Kohli, he's had a record that whenever India has batted first under his captaincy, they've either won or drawn. Now this is his first loss. But with the New Zealand conditions, it's always preferable to bat second. So now we have a few days break. I'm going to show you guys New Zealand. Let's also get some facts out there with Wellington and the rest of the parts of New Zealand I'm visiting before Christchurch. In the meantime, kind of think about what will happen for Christchurch. You know, one, the toss will be very important. So who do you think will win the toss and what they'll choose? And kind of think about who will win the second test match. Will it be New Zealand because they still need those points? They want to get all 120 points fully. Or will India bounce back? Will we see better performances from Virat Kohli? It's been a while since we've seen a century from him in these test matches. So will we see a better performance from our captain? And will the batting lineup kind of change? So kind of think about this and we'll see you guys soon.